kingdom suffer violence and violent take it by force. So just light up the block like many light posts. So you don't know, so one shot case 1,000 and two shot put 10,000 to flight. I don't know it all already. Men of God, ever strap, whenever. You know this. So them come out to the numbers and them end up with a lamentation. Cause we give them a revelation. Load one clip from Romans 6. Demons better act right. Pop it off, and just squeeze it. Deal with demons like Michael Jackson, just beat it. Till the police them draw down upon me. Think them woulda find all up on me. Search for care, but them never did search my heart, so them come to the conclusion, say me nah know upon me. Inna my heart is where me hide my gun. I'm not Vibes Cartel, but none of them could not find my gun. Let me describe my gun. Because me no want some people to lose me. Cause when Christians shooting, the pistols them using are scriptures, not Uzi or M16, more like John 3:16. Fire off just one round pan 3,000 demons and leave 16. With 66 options, Christians well equipped and strapped. We get no shooting practice. When we sing and clap, I want you to see what I am saying, like closed caption. No Christians should come out of them house if them don't have one. Because the type of war we are fighting like we join the army in Ephesians. So a demon shouldn't even try to call me ever strap. Me without me gun, never that. Man a Christian soldier, general. I know just one angel got dispatched for me. There's always at least 10 others. We say a while ago, 10 others. Hospitalized demon, leave them in a general hospital. Embarrass, ever strap. Me without my team, never that. Man a Christian soldier, general. I know just one angel got dispatched for me. There's always at least 10 others. We say a while ago, 10 others. Hospitalized demon, leave them in a general hospital. Embarrass. Sometimes I suit up in a uniform, sometimes we go undercover. Demons have sexual immorality, me shoot them undercover. Plus me have a license to kill the flesh, so me bust it until me sweat. So me cool like inside of the mouth of somebody way through winter fresh. When we see demons, we bust it. We not in a no kind of long talking, nor no discussing, tracing, cussing. You crazy? At the lads of 90, you want to be touching your feet. Me pop off the KJV with the rubber grip and so it erasing. Just if you're lazy, you can use one finger and fling shot. Long distance is not an issue. Just ask the last victim from David's slingshot. My bad, him can't really talk right now. Cause after the boy lie down, him never get up off high ground. Christians have to stay strapped because Satan no take vacation. Every hour him a look something for the devour, just like KFC and that chicken from Popeyes. So if Satan should stop by, then he should know my Bible is my rifle and I got mine. Ever strap, me without me gun, never that. I'm a Christian soldier, general. I know just one angel got dispatched for me. There's always at least 10 others. We say a while ago, 10 others. Hospitalized demon, leave them in a general hospital. Embarrass, ever strap. Me without my team, never that. I'm a Christian soldier, general. I know just one angel got dispatched for me. There's always at least 10 others. We say a while ago, 10 others. Hospitalized demon, leave them in a general hospital. Embarrass.
Yeah. Father, you mean everything to me, you know? Just wanna let you know that this love I have for you, man, it's nothing ordinary. So I just wanna lift you up. Yeah. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart believing when I'm feeling down and so out. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down and so out. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down.
I'm giving you praises while I die. I'm loving you so much, so I sigh. For you, Lord, I'm yearning, so I draw. Nah, a feeling so special that my soul cries. Every word, gesture,
breath I take,
every silent whisper the moonlight makes. And every moonlit night that I seek your face, every cloud-filled day that I seek your grace. It's so special, a feeling I can't explain. To reach for the heights that I can't obtain. So you stretch forth your hands and you purge my stains. Make the things that I can't see, the things obtained. Te quiero mucho, I love you so so much when alone in the darkness. Your spirit says hush, and one touch is enough to bring me sweet sleep, serenity and peace. Lord, you are my relief.
This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart believing when I'm feeling down and so out. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down and so out. This is no ordinary love that I am feeling. To my heart relieving when I'm feeling down.
See, you can't understand. I'm just loving my man from close range to the distant lands. Put him down, let me just kiss them hands, and I'll forever stick with you, cause I don't wanna miss my plans that you may have for me. Everything you do makes me live happily. I'm glad to see, I'm glad that this had to be, cause you love me more than anyone else.